I was like, oh, Nancy, I love the ombre and I love the dramatic glitter and I love the crystal. Can I have it all? Okay, so what would you like? So if you do a whole set, that's gonna be ABC. But then if you say, oh, but then my price range is gonna be this. So then can we do 2 rings fingers with like dramatic, and the rest of them will be chamfer foil with ombre? Can you live with that? You know, but then it take you down to $50 less on your ticket and say, oh, that looks gorgeous. Yep. If you're happy with this, oh no, it's my birthday, I want to go like really dramatic, more than normal. Say absolutely. If just make sure that you and your wonderful clients, who is your bread and butter on your chairs, that is communicate. So then you make the client so happy because you're honest with them, and also you respect them. So you're not gonna say, oh, this set is $50. Start from $50, and then clients, oh, can I add this? Sure. Okay, can I add this? Sure. And then you go on like $200 ticket, and you're gonna like flip off the chair and say, what? I didn't ask for $200 set, but well, you didn't explain to your clients. The clients is thought that is including your set. You know, nobody should doing that, but you'll be surprised. I'm just not going to lie to you. All right, so I'm so excited. I'm going to use this one for you. How about that? And then I'm going to using my is glow in the dark crystal kit. This kit is my favorite kit. It still is #1 kit out of a lot of kits. They're all one of my favorite. This one is my, I don't know, every time I see this one, it's so freaking cute, and it's so color. You can see that I'm using a lot. And this set has been, this kit has been, is so beautiful. Kits have been sold out so many times, and grab it during your sales as well. And every single order you'll get $100 gift card, so then you can able to like feel like stock up with your inventory. The reason it is why we're doing it, we have the store behind is why we're doing what we're doing. We really appreciate every single love and support. So instead of giving away for one person, we are decide to give it away to all Glitz babe. So then you not only have enough inventory and also save so much of money. You can able to offer your clients a lot of more. So here is a lot of you asking question as well. How do I know to come up with some design? It's really common questions, and I got asked a lot. So I will share with you. There are no secret at all. There's really like important whenever you're doing your crystal placement, whether you're doing your frame or a crystal. All you need to do is really remember one thing for me: getting a centerpiece, any centerpiece. It could be the centerpiece, or could be this centerpiece. It doesn't matter. Any special shape can be your centerpiece. It just depends. Some clients, I have the cute nails I did just as a centerpiece. Just depends. Some clients just want a little bit dainty. Some clients want dramatic. Like I love dramatic. Like I have a lot of my clients love dramatic as well. So it's really depends on your clients, and then you can fulfill what they prefer and what they need. So I am go ahead and like pick any of centerpiece, and then seeing you pick a centerpiece can be on the cuticle area, and can be a middle, and can be on the diagonals, however the precision you chose to be. Then you are go ahead and place a lot of other shape, which is a filler shape, which is I love that how the kit is my favorite. I can pretty much do everything with this kit. Why I'm saying this, and a lot of, oh, you make it easy, but absolutely it easy. I promise you will never go wrong with this. You place it on and say, oh, I thought it's really difficult, but it's so easy. It's because every single kid's glitz make it really special of thinking of the crystal placement. It make it so much easier for you. Every single shape we did, we are going to pair them together. When you get a kit, they are able to pair them together so well. Make it easy for you. So then when you are starting the taking of the crystal placement or some design, you won't have to really like think hard, you know, to like, oh my gosh, I know what to do with this. I don't know what to do with this. Every single of the kits, from a centerpiece to the starter kits to the ultimate kits, you absolutely can pair them so well together. And each of them will complement each other so well. If like say if you own one of these kits, like say this one, and then a centerpiece, you can pair them together. Or if you're having the this is glow in the dark kits, and then you have the ultimate AB, you can pair them so well together. So and it's the best thing about is the kits that you're seeing a lot of kits, and you see most of the kits that we are special, the huge kits, the master kit and one thing, but this kit we always have the metal frames and beads for you. The reason it is so you don't have to buy additionals of bead and frame, and then there's so many in here, like a 4 huge jar of the frame and beads. So probably it will last me maybe 10 years. Well, with like a lot of crystal placement already. It doesn't have to like, oh my god, it's 10 years mean that you don't use anything. No, I use a lot. You can see some of the shape. And then I can see using all the beads and frame. It's so nice that every time you open the kits that you have your frame and the beads is like really convenience for you. So then you don't have to think so much of what you can do. All the beads and frame here will able to like cater for you throughout the seasons, whether you are in the summer times or you are in the winter time or you are in the springtime. You have all different of the frame elements like to support you with all your designs you need it. All right, so now this one, you love it like this, you can definitely is key it. But if you want is to has like more of like a jewelry look, you can definitely add some beads on it. Not necessary like you have to, just personal preference. And then your clients love it, and like the clients, oh, I love those beads, can you put some beads on? Sure. The clients, oh, I don't want any beads. It's like, sure, fine, you know, you don't have to. So I have like different sizes of beads right here, so I'm so obsessed with this. All right, so here, babe, you okay? You doing good? You know what? If you like it like this, leave it alone, and then you can go on and on. If you are not stopping me, I can go on and on with this design, and then you can make it whole set. And like, so with this design, I will be pricing like at least like $12 to $15 of this design. Why? You have a centerpiece here, and then you have a exquisite shape. So price with the clients is $12 to $15. If the 12, then it will no beads and about $15, and the frame there's gonna be a $15. Then if you're pricing for your clients, I have the same feeling when I first start, even like years ago when I start with the liquid powder, do different designs. I'm afraid of the clients who were not willing to pay, but you'll be surprised. The clients like, okay, just let me know. And then you price it for them. They're like, cool, okay, I will do 2 nails with